Welcome. My name is Adu-Osae, your supervisor for Batch 102 Market Microeconomics. We are in week 10 and our lecture is online because of the Christmas holidays. Our topic today is perfect competition and it is divided into 4 modules. After the modules, please go to the feedback session and complete your week 10 peer feedback assessment. Perfect competition. First, we shall define perfect competition and then explain how a firm makes its output decision and why it's sometimes shut down. Then we shall explain how price and output are determined in the perfectly competitive market. Our model will then be able to predict the effects of change in demand and technological advancement. And we shall crown our study with the conclusion that the market is perfectly competitive and hence efficient. First, we shall start with the characteristics of a perfectly competitive market. In a perfectly competitive market, there are many firms. These firms sell identical products, hence each firm's product is a perfect substitute for the others. There are no restrictions to entry into the industry, and established firms have no advantage whatsoever on the new ones. The firms and the buyers in this market are well informed about prices. These assumptions then yield the crucial results. Each firm is a price taker, and each firm would have a perfectly elastic demand and will supply output up to the point which they maximize their profit. There are 3 diagrams here to depict the market of a perfectly competitive industry and a typical firm. This firm, this diagram, the first diagram, is a diagram of the t-shirt market, and all the sellers are on the supply curve and all the consumers are on the demand curve. At the equilibrium is the market price, $25, and a quantity of 9 is produced in the market. Each firm will take the price from the market and sell the good. So let's look at this diagram here, diagram C. The firm takes the price from the market, and at every quantity it sells at the same price. Hence, the firm's marginal revenue curve is horizontal, and the marginal revenue curve is also the demand curve. The firm's output increases. As the firm's output increases, total revenue also increases. Hence, we have diagram B, and you see that the total revenue is increasing. Because the price is constant, we say total revenue increases in the quantity. In the next module, we shall discuss the firm's output decisions.